everyone, this is Rebecca from the Assistive Technology Center at Little Tennessee Valley Educational Cooperative, and today I was going to give you a quick example of how you can use a randomizer in your classroom. In this example, we're doing a unit from Brown Bear, what do you see? I created these bingo cards using LessonPix.com. Once you choose all the pictures that match the unit you're doing, it will auto-generate in whatever grid size and to whatever number you need. So you don't have to think about randomizing the bingo cards yourself. Also, I'm using Play-Doh balls, so that way once the bingo cards are laminated, this is completely reusable, and so it's a fun smash mat activity. But if you have a child in your class who can't easily participate in this, they can be the bingo caller using the randomizer like this one from Adaptivation. So let's give it a try.
Green frog.
So we just look at the bingo cards that we have, and I do see a green frog right here. And then we just take the Play-Doh and smash it. Let's try that again.
Green frog.
And the reason that it said green frog again is because I have this set to level 1, which is truly random. It might give you the same thing 10 times in a row. If you want it to go through your list completely before starting over, you need to use level 2. So let's try again.
White dog.
White dog. And we've got one here and here. And another good thing about the randomizer is there is a switch input on the side. So if your student can't easily push this button, you can use any switch that works for them. Thank you very much.